Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video. And today we're going to show you on how to play career mode in eFootball 2024. So first and foremost, if you want to play the career mode in eFootball, of course you have to play it on your PC or your PlayStation or Xbox because the eFootball which is available for mobile is only the half version of eFootball, which means it is only the trial or the light version of the eFootball. As you guys can see, you can only play PvP or versus AI, or you can play league game or eFootball League, a friendly match or a quick match or a trial match. If you want to play career mode, you need to play it on PC or like any gaming console. But remember, eFootball is only free for mobile, so if you want to play eFootball in PC or any gaming console, you need to pay for it. So to play career mode, you need to buy the full version of eFootball, which you need to pay for, which is only available in PC or PlayStation or Xbox. So download the eFootball on your PC or game console and play it, and on that version you will get career mode. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more helpful quick how-to videos next time. Adios!